Being a student can be tough. Balancing classes, homework, and a social life leaves little time for a traditional job. But what if I told you that you can earn money online, right from your dorm room or favorite coffee shop? In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 ways students can earn income online. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is freelancing. If you've got skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or even social media management, you can offer your services online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients from around the world who are looking for your expertise. Freelancing allows you to set your own rates and work on projects that fit your schedule. Coming in at number 2 is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not help others while earning money? Websites like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wezant allow you to connect with students who need help in your area of expertise. Whether it's math, science, or languages, you can earn a decent income by sharing your knowledge. Plus, tutoring is a great way to reinforce your own understanding of the subject. Third on the list is content creation. If you enjoy making videos, writing blogs, or even podcasting, you can monetize your content. Platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Patreon offer various ways to earn income through ads, sponsorships, and viewer support. While it might take time to build an audience, once you do, content creation can become a steady source of income that also allows you to express your creativity. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience to grow your platform. Number 4 is selling digital products. Do you have a knack for creating? Whether it's ebooks, photography, printables, or digital art, there's a market for your work. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market make it easy to sell your digital products to a global audience. The best part of this is, once you create a digital product, you can sell it an unlimited number of times, making it a great source of passive income. Last but not least, number 5 is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or a good following on social media, you can earn money by promoting products you love. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction, and earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your link. It's a great way to monetize your online presence without creating your own products. And there you have it. 5 ways to earn income online as a student. Whether you're freelancing, tutoring, creating content, selling digital products, or diving into affiliate marketing, there are plenty of opportunities to make money without compromising your studies. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on earning money online.